guys. Look at what girls' night is. That's the table spread for me. Now I'm just doing a little view of my girls' area. But look at this little canvas setup.
I didn't put the flowers in there from downstairs, so
we're gonna do some sip and paint. It's gonna be so much fun. Girl talk, girl time. This is so cute. Let's do it. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome girl, welcome. My name is LaMonica. If you are new, I do lifestyle and beauty videos here on my channel. Y'all, it is hot. I don't know what out here. My lips are so dry. I'm using the Merit lip oil. I talked about these in one of my videos, so make sure you check that out if you are looking for a really cute, lightweight, especially for this heat, lightweight lip oil. But your girl just finished getting her nails done. They look so good. I got them cut down. My nails grow so fast. So I decided to step outside my comfort zone. I usually get like neutral colors, but today I said, the sun is out. We need to do something else with these nails. So I got them cut down and got some color today. So I really liked how they came out. That little powder stuff they do on the nail is how I got that little ordeal. But it is so hot out here. My car says 96 degrees. Like, why? So we're going to continue on this weekend. It is Memorial Day weekend, so we're going to have some fun. We're going to be outside in the sun getting all this vitamin D, and yeah, I'm going to take you guys along with me. I'm trying to remember what was the last time I picked up my camera. That's really what I'm trying to think of. Oh yes, to kick off this weekend, I went and had a girls night, and we did sip and paint, chit chat, you know, did a lot of things. And I got to show you guys something. I'm going to put you guys onto something that if you are into home decor and, you know, just making things look cute, like decor pieces for your space, your living space, whether that's a living room, a kitchen, a vanity, your dresser, you name it. I'm gonna show y'all something. I'm gonna put y'all onto something. My girl is launching her items, okay? I'm gonna put her on. So actually I'm about to head home. I have to do some makeup, and then babe and I are gonna hang out for the day. I'm super excited about that, so let's go. Alright guys, so we have finished bar one. And I thought it was pretty good. Definitely pretty pricey, but it was pretty good. What do you think, babe?
It was okay.
It was alright. I said it was alright. If we had to rate it out of a 10, let's say maybe 7 out of 10. What did you say? 7 out of 10. Yeah, it was okay for what it was. Definitely a good vibe, the music, but now we're just gonna enjoy the rest of the day. We'll see you guys later. Look at that sunset. Look at this in the view, in the camera. It looks so nice.
Now to go back into our sins, Matthew chapter 12, verse number 43 to 45. When an unclean spirit goes out of a man, he goes through the dry place, seeking rest and finds none. Then he says, I will return to the house where I'm coming from. And he comes and finds.
Because all I seem to do is hurt me. Okay. Anyway, I done put my hair up, came from church. Happy Sunday. It's a new week. It's a new day. And yeah, so today I'm meal prepping. But I wanted to show you guys what I meal prep. So salmon on the list. Some breakfast sandwiches. I'm going to try this out. I have to look and see what recipe I want to do. But I have some turkey bacon, eggs, and some, what are these? These are actually new. These Thomas English muffins. But I never had the flavored maple French toast. Let me show y'all. Maple French toast. But you guys let me know if maple French toast is in your local grocery stores. It says new limited edition, so I'm gonna see how these taste. They may taste good to like meal prep as a breakfast sandwich, since it has a French toast maple syrup type taste, but we'll see. Anyway, yeah, so that is what I'm doing today, meal prepping, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So if you like meal prep videos, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I don't even know where I left off at, so this is probably gonna close out this vlog because I don't know what day. I honestly don't know what day I left off, and I need to wrap this up. Just wrap it up. So yeah, let's get to this meal prep. All right, so I have two different types of salmon here. I wanted to switch it up a bit, so let me talk about mine. So these two are for my two like salmon meals. I'm gonna do two. I think I'm gonna do salmon and chicken this week, so my husband and I will be able to have two, if that makes sense. Anywho, so Babe has regular, but let me talk about this. So I just decided, let me, you know, spice it up a bit, a little razzle dazzle. You know, when you're on a weight loss journey or some type of, or a health kick journey or just lifestyle, you may not want to just keep doing this plain Jane like Babe likes. Just, I be judging his up. He don't really be knowing, but I put onion powder. He loves lemon pepper and then salt. For me, I was like, I don't want to do the norm. Let's try something new. So I'm trying to put this, or I am going to try it and let y'all know how it tastes. But this is the Grace Jamaican Jerk Seasoning. I love this marinade. I use it on chicken all the time. I have done it on shrimp before. Love it on chicken. Love, love, love this on chicken. So I said, you know what? Let me try it on salmon. And that's what we're doing. So this is just olive oil, a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder, and then some of this. So I'm letting this marinate right now, but I just took the lid off to show you guys. And then, like I said, for Babes, it's just olive oil, onion powder, lemon pepper, and pink Himalayan salt. Letting that marinate for the same amount of time so that all the seasonings can like penetrate, you know, the salmon or whatever. Yeah. Now I'm gonna get started on sides. So I'm gonna do brown rice with mine. Babe doesn't like brown rice, so I'm gonna do regular rice for him. And then I'm gonna also do some veggies. I think we have Brussels sprouts in there and some French green beans from Trader Joe's. I still got a few of those left. So yeah, so that's for this meal. Not sure what we're gonna do with the chicken yet, but let me go ahead and get this off. So yeah, those are the things that's gonna be in the salmon ones. I'm gonna take some chicken out so we can have that as an option as well. It's, you know, the way these prices are going up, stay in the house and do your meal preps, okay? Do your meal preps. It's better. You know what's going in your body, all that. I say that to say this. It's balance. It's balance. Don't mind my hair. Like I said, I just put my hair up because I was in here meal prepping, but I actually did these just a few days ago. I just put them in so quickly because it's so hot that I can't. And with the working out, got to put my hair away. All right, I'm rambling. Let me get onto this meal prepping. All right, so right here, I'm gonna be making some apple cider vinegar, lemon, and water, and cayenne pepper. I typically have been doing this. I only did it for 5 days last week, so I'll be doing this again this week. And I have noticed that, you know, my inflammation on like my stomach area, it definitely helps with de-bloating, basically is what this is, along with my working out and eating right throughout the week. If you haven't seen my apple cider vinegar versus the apple cider vinegar gummies video, make sure you check that out. I'll link it somewhere up here. But I'm going to go ahead and make these to add to the meal prep for the week. The reason I'm doing this is because my weeks ahead has been really busy. So having stuff prepped in the fridge to just quickly pull out rather than trying to make something on my lunch breaks, it definitely helps. So this is what this is going to be. All right, let's go. The egg is ready. This is the egg from the oven. I'm gonna put these on those breakfast sandwiches. I'm now gonna pop the McMuffins, or the muffins, English muffins, into the oven. I also have some turkey bacon, and we're gonna make the sandwiches.